Hi guys, it's Andy here from Awesome 3D Prints with an amazing print. Honestly, I cannot tell you how great this print is. I love this print. It is stunning. It is just, if I could keep it, I would, and it would be up on my wall. But unfortunately, it's for a friend of mine in Newtown. She requested a print. She owns a tattoo parlor, Shell Jane Tattoo. She is an absolutely amazing artist. I'll put a link in the description to her Facebook page, and you can check out her work for yourself. Honestly, it is amazing. She's very, very talented. And she requested that I do a piece for her studio, and I found it on Thingiverse, and she customized the colours to what she wanted, and it's turned out amazingly well. Honestly, if I could keep it, it would definitely be up on the wall behind me, but unfortunately that's in her studio now. But anyway, I'll show you it printing. You can have a look at it, see what you think, and we'll talk some more about it afterwards. And guys, again, as always in all my videos, if you like them, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you liked. If you don't like them, give me a thumbs down, tell me what you didn't like. And don't forget, you must subscribe so you can see all my new content that comes out on a regular basis, and tick the bell icon so that you get notified when they're about. Cheers guys, here's the video. Right then guys, here is the complete finished article. The skull looks amazing. I know it's probably difficult to see on camera because it's shiny, but the level of detail in it, all the lines, the teeth, is absolutely stunning. Honestly, it looks amazing. That is really cool. And then you've got the first section of horns. There's a little clip, but these this is the right side, so these have to sit in there like that, and I'll clip in place. And then there's the other section that will fit on the end there when I get it right. I've got to strip the supports off first, but the level of detail on it and the way it's printed has been absolutely amazing. This filament is lovely stuff. I printed this with supports. It didn't actually require supports, but I tried once and this bit fell off the bed, so I just put these little supports on here just so that it would help it balance more than anything else. They should pop off easy enough anyway, not too many problems. There's a little support in there that's broken off as well. There we go. Yeah, that's printed really, really well. A couple of bits that are going to be a little more tricky to remove are the supports, the brim for the horns here, but there you go, it's a bit better. It's a shame there's a flat spot there, but I suppose it's part of the printing process, there's nothing you can do about it. But that's that one done. And this one here came off easy enough. Not too bad, a little bit of a mark underneath, but that one's already detached anyway. No mark there. It was, I say, I only put them on just for a bit of stability because this bit is only attached by like a very, very thin bit to the bed, and it fell off once before when I was trying to print it, so I put them on just to help out. I probably didn't need the supports here, but again, better safe than sorry really. There we go. And then you've got these clips here which you print separately, which sit in there somehow. It's going to be interesting, I haven't done this before. And then we should be able to assemble them hopefully. So let's... Crikey, these look far too big. Oh, it's gone in. Let's just... Oh yeah, that's in alright. And then... let's do them on the other side as well. Yep, they fit in alright. I'm probably going to glue in the horns in as well, I would have thought, just to give them a bit of extra stability. And then, well, actually, the support's in there as well. Not that matters anyway, because it's only for the indicating which horn goes where, but there you go, that's that one out. And then there's one here as well. I don't think I even need to remove these, but I don't know if I'm going to bother. Let's fit these bits in here as well. Well, they fit alright. I was a bit worried they weren't going to fit. They look huge compared to the holes, but in actual fact they fit pretty well. That's that, and then obviously line up the left one of those with the left one of those. I'm guessing goes together something like, oh yeah, there you go, like that. Again, there's a bit of play, so I'm probably going to put some glue in there just to hold them together properly. But yeah, that looks amazing. And then let's do this one as well. Yeah, and that one's together as well. So that actually works really well. The supports are fantastic. So yeah, that's really, really cool. Let's see if we can clip this bit into here. This is a bit scary. I think I might be better off actually just taking those out of there, putting them in here, and then using this bit to clip the horn in that way around. I think would be better, because then it'll give it a bit more. Oh, crikey. That is being a bit tricky to go in. Okay, let's take that out of there. Okay, pliers time. Let's get that out of there. Maybe that's the wrong one in actual fact. Oh yeah, that's why I was doing the wrong side. This one here. In there, and then There you go. And then this one here. And let's get that one around again, shall we? In there, like that. That looks absolutely, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that is absolutely amazing. I know she's going to absolutely love that. That is brilliant. Well chuffed. Anyway guys, I'm going to glue it together so it will stay permanently in place, but I'm really pleased with that. Really pleased. Yeah, anyway, if you like it as much as I did, give me a thumbs up, eh? If not, give me a thumbs down. Drop me a comment as to what you liked or what you didn't like, and subscribe so you get more videos from me. And if you hit the bell icon, you'll get notified when they're about. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.